Hi everyone and welcome back. In this lecture I will explain one more concepts related to aggregator transformation. If you don't select any options in aggregator transformation, what will happen? If you don't select any options in aggregator transformation, by default it select last record and load last record into target. Now I will show you practically how this aggregator transformation select last record. So go to data integration. So now click on new mapping. I will provide mapping name as Aggregator Transformation Test. So this is my mapping name. Select source transformation and select your source table. So in my case, source table is this one, EMP table. So if you observe carefully, in this EMP table, last record is this one, right? Just remember this 7934 is employee number. Now select this connection, select object. Now same way select target, select object. So I choose this test one. For your understanding purpose I create this new table. Now so connection and object selection is completed. Now I will include aggregator transformation. Just I will include this source to target flow, just aggregator transformation. Now I don't choose any group by option, I don't provide any aggregate functions, I don't choose any advanced option, just I include aggregator transformation in this ETL flow. That's it. Now go to target, perform field mapping here. Just select smart map. That's it. Now validate and save it. Now select this particular mapping name, go to mapping task, provide name here, followed by mapping name. Next select runtime environment, click on next and save it. Now this configuration is completed, click on run button. Now go to monitor, refresh here. Now it is in starting. Next go to queue status. After that it will going for running status. Now just refresh again. Now see, out of this record, out of 14 records, only one records loaded into this particular target. Now go to target and check which record is loaded into this target. See 7934. So this is last record, right? So that's why it select last record. So this is default behavior of aggregator transformation. This is very important interview question. Okay, so I hope you understand aggregator transformation. By default, if you don't provide any options, by default it select last record, that particular records loaded into target. So if you have any queries related to this aggregator transformation, please post your queries into question and answer sections. I will provide update on those particular queries. So that's it guys. Thank you.